Hi everyone, Miss Roberts again, and this is just some info about the ACT Prep Schoology group that we have here at Franklin. Every day I post a question, and then the following day I post an answer, so this is a great place to get a little daily practice on the different parts of the test. I also link things like the FHS Prep website, as well as the ACT questions of the week and the answers to those questions at the end of the week. So check it out, join the group, and you'll have plenty of time to get lots of practice. The access code is NRWG W44677PX5. Back for your ACT review, and I'm back to the FHS ACT Prep site. We're going to talk quickly today about English. When you go to each part of this website, you're going to see a list of strategies at the top. And the English test, you'll see, has 75 questions in 45 minutes. Don't worry about that. Your timing is going to work out well. There's a link right here to Mr. Womack's awesome site that I've shown you before. And then right below it are some quick tips about the English test. They like comma questions, so ask yourself this. If you don't know about a comma, when in doubt, leave it out. When something sounds strange to you on the English test, it's wrong and you need to make a change. So if it sounds strange, it needs a change. And don't read the whole passage on the English test. You don't have to. Just start answering questions. Below the bullet points, you've got information about the different types of questions, and there's some practice here with answer keys as well. So remember, you can do this on your own time, or you can stop by my room and pick up more materials. We're going to talk today about the science section of the ACT. We're back on our FHS ACT Prep site, and we're going to look at the science section. Science is tricky for people because it's the last test. You've got 35 minutes to answer 40 questions, and you're exhausted by this point. So it's not a difficult part of the test once you get to know what the test looks like. It's just that you've got to turn your brain back on for 35 more minutes, and then you're done after this section. There are three types of passages. Data representation, these are the easiest ones. You're looking at charts and figures and graphs and answering questions. Experimentation type questions are going to be looking at graphs and figures, but also looking at some text. And then conflicting viewpoints, you're going to be looking mainly at text, and you're looking at differences in people's viewpoints on a particular issue. Here is the best tip about the science test. The science test is not about science. It's about reading what's on the page. There are only about 3 to 5 questions on the test that require some sort of scientific knowledge. And usually they're questions about biology or chemistry, and they're not very difficult questions. Everything else will be answered by the graphs, the figures, the tables, the charts, and some text. So don't panic if you're not in an upper level science class. It doesn't matter. Everything is going to be on the page except for maybe 3 to 5 questions. There's a link here to Mr. Womack's site, as always, so you can check out all of his practices and videos, and you can do it.